should be on this side.
Why?
I know, sorry.
The bike's on the...
But you have to turn right. It's coming up around the corner of it.
In 1 kilometer, take a slight left turn onto Stanley Park Road.
Hey, there's a lot of...
It's
Left?
on the right side, but it goes to the left, right? It's weird, yeah. And it's steaming up back there. You gotta turn up the heat. And then push the back one. Which is, no, down.
This? That?
Down. The buttons go on that. That
This?
one. Yeah. Arigato.
See, there's your bike in here. On this side. Can I pass them though?
Yes, but
There's no cars coming yet.
that guy's struggling.
Where's the exit?
It's coming up around the corner. I guess just stay here.
Lions Gate, exit left lane.
How?
Like last
Remember that
time.
weird turn it does?
And then we got stuck there for a while.
You'll see
No,
it.
but how do I turn left? Like, is it that left
You just
turn?
stay here.
You stay here, yeah.
You'll see it around the corner.
You'll see it go. You'll see the car going that way.
Why are they gonna bike through here, right? They should have their own lane somewhere.
But this place is actually like meant for like this.
I guess so, because
It's like a park thing.
They're gonna bike all the way to the Lions Gate bridge and cross the bridge, right? There, see, exit Lions Gate.
Take a slight left turn onto Stanley Park
I
Road.
don't know.
Then turn right onto Stanley Park Causeway.
Causeway. Look at this guy. You look nervous. I'm gonna
Turn
cross.
right onto Stanley Park Causeway.
I think just go.
As soon as you got a chance to go stomp on it.
They should let you go, no? You shouldn't.
No. Give yourself more gaps in that road.
Hmm?
You need to give bigger gaps in that.
Oh.
There.
No, I mean don't go too soon.
Don't go too. Yeah. Don't
You
get
were
too.
ready to go at a gap that wasn't long enough. I don't care about the bikers even. Over here.
In 2 kilometers, keep right toward North Vancouver.
There,
So you just have to wait for people to let you in.
They're noticing though.
Oh, that's nice. Hey, he's just telling them to walk up there.
Scary, this bridge.
In 1 kilometer, keep right toward North Vancouver.
Whoa.
Some people walk here. See, look at that guy. Even this guy bike all the way here.
Use the right lane to keep right toward North Vancouver.
Keep right, but have to be on the left, no? I remember that.
Yeah.
Right, and then keep stay on the left.
No, it doesn't matter. When you turn right,
Have to be on the left. We're gonna turn left.